Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be seeing how many blue and white fidgets I have in my fidget collection. So before we get started, like, subscribe, and post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time to you guys successfully complete your 5-second challenge. Comment down below if you guys seen me do these types of videos before for every holiday or whatever. So without further ado, let's get right into it. But I'm doing this for January, since red and blue are technically January colors, winter themed colors. So white is pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna find how many white fidgets I have. Blue, I do have different shades of blue in my collection, so I'm just gonna do all blue, no specific shade. But yeah, I did this for I did this for Valentine. Oh, so first, I think the first time I done this was with 4th of July / Memorial Day, red, white, and blue, and then Halloween, Christmas, Valentine's Day, Easter. I did another one for Halloween. I did another one for Christmas, and then I'm doing one for January, and the next month, for February, I'm going to do red and pink. March, I'm probably just going to do rainbow and green. Easter, what I did last year. May, probably purple. And June, probably just summer colors, and then July, 4th of July, obviously, red, white, and blue. August, I'm not sure. September, fall. November, I'm not sure, and then December is Christmas. So I'm gonna do one of these every month, if I could think about what theme I'm gonna do for August, September, November, and May, for those 4 months. But the other months I have stuff, this video planned for what themes I'm going to do. But anyways, yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. I did bring my fidget collection out into my room, since they were originally in my closet, but after that, I brought them out for this video so I had more room. I usually do these videos in my, last time I did one of these, I did it in my closet, which was the one for Christmas. Yeah. But yeah, so like I said, I'm going to see how many white fidgets I have and blue fidgets I have. I do have a desk in front of me, so I think I'm going to grab a post-it note or something to write it down. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave the camera on since. Okay, I got a post-it note and a blue pen, so I'm just gonna write a little line, a little divider thing. Okay, I got it down on a post-it note. So I'm going to keep it here, or up here actually, and then I'm going to start from these organizers to those ones behind my camera, and then these two alongside me. So I think what I'm going to do first is blue, or white, I think. Yeah, maybe blue. I think I'm going to do blue first. So I think I'm going to, And I don't think I've done this before. Did I say I would do white or blue for? I think I said blue. There's some stuff in here that's long. Okay. So I think what I'm going to do is just dump this drawer out and then fish out all my blue fidgets in here. I don't think I have any white in here, so anything that's not blue, I'm going to put back in the drawer. I don't think I've done this method before. Anyway, blue, blue, blue. Like I said, I'm not going to do a specific shade of blue, so I'm just going to do blue in general. Oh, this definitely counts for blue, because it has mostly blue than white. There's so much blue in here, but there's a lot of multicolored stuff in here. Okay. Got all the blue stuff in this drawer. In this drawer. By the way, this is my little fidget area. My little fidget drawer contains spike balls, acupressure rings, pea poppers, these little air, not squishy things. Yeah. I think that's all the blue in here. Yeah. I have so many other videos that I need to film today, so I'll be busy. At least, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 more videos. Some videos I'm going to hold off till like next weekend, because school's coming back in session soon. Tomorrow, actually. Yeah. So I probably won't be doing lots of filming at all this upcoming week. Today is Sunday, tomorrow is Monday. So school for me starts tomorrow. First day back from winter break. I did not do a lot of filming this break, but I did lots of filming over Thanksgiving break when I was with my grandma. But anyway, I'm gonna count how many blue things I found in that drawer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 things in that drawer. Okay. Now my random fidgets. Oh boy, I don't know where I'm going to keep these. Probably right here, because I don't want them in the way. Then at the end, I'm going to count all of them all together, and obviously write them on the post-it note. Then I can announce what color won. So I think I'm going to do the same thing for this drawer. Just dump it out. I have a lot of stuff from this in this drawer. Sorry guys, I'm just checking something. Okay. I don't know how long this video is going to be. Usually when I do these videos, they turn out to be a long. Especially my Halloween one, it turned out to be like an hour long since I was finding 4 colors. Green, pink, no, not pink. Green, yellow, not yellow. Green, purple, orange, and black. Okay. Should this count as happy sack? It's blue and black. I don't know. I don't know if this should count. There's probably an equal number of little squares. I think I'm going to count it. Then I have this little section thing. This infinity cube. This thing that I got for Christmas 2024, but I don't think I'm gonna keep it or count it since it's half green and blue. So there's lots of rainbow stuff in here. Should I? This is more. I'm gonna say should I get? I was gonna say should I count this, but this is more black than blue. Then I have this little jumper thing. Okay. That's pretty good so far. These little honeycomb things, no, they don't count. This thing doesn't count. This thing, no. This thing, no. This fidget spinner, yes. If I was just doing white, then it would be a lot faster. Okay, another, this is the same infinity cube that I just found. Slinkies, 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 slinkies. Okay, a magnetic ring. And another fidget spinner. A little slinky. Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. This, like I said, I have a lot of rainbow things in here, so if I was doing this for rainbow, it would definitely win. There's white stuff in here that I'll come back to later. Let's see. You go here. You don't count. You don't count. You don't count. This fidget spinner doesn't count. These little 3D animals don't count. Should I count this little clipper thing? Binder clip thing. These were my mom's, but my sister and I did count them as fidgets. But I think I'm going to count it since it's blue. You don't count. You don't count. You don't. Oh. This counts. You don't count. Should these count, or are these more black? I think these are more black. Yeah. No. I barely found any blue in here. Like I said, there's more rainbow in here than plain colors. Alright, lots of infinity cubes. Ooh, okay. This drawer is very, very full. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 there. Again, I'm gonna put it in the same pile. Okay. Next up is this Wacky Trap Tangle Snake Stretchy Fidget drawer. There is one in here that would count for both. But I'm not going to do that today. I forgot to say that in the beginning of the video. I'm not going to count stuff with both of the colors on it, like the snake. I'm not going to count it. So there's pretty much nothing in here. Yeah, there's pretty much nothing in here. Oh, other than this tangle for blue. And that's one thing. In this thing for 2. Not these spinners because they're mostly colored. Not these. This Wacky Track at least. No, and no. So only 2 things in there. Okay, dimples. I don't think I have any blues in here. Oh, yes, I do. I have this spinner. That's it. That's it for that. Oh. La 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 la. Two more, so 3 in that drawer. Pop it balls. No, they're all multicolored, so none of them down. None of them count. 3 poppets. Okay. There's some here. Count. 1 second, guys. Okay. Poppet bracelets. Oh, this one is counting. It's blue. Mostly blue than white. Again, this one's mostly blue than white. So I'm counting that. Not this one. Poppet locket. All these little guys. These little peoples. You count. Should this count, or is this more mint green? It looks like blue on camera, but it's mint green in person, so I'm not gonna count it. This is probably more white than blue, so that counts. Then it doesn't count. These don't. So So I only found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 things in here. Actually, should I really count this as blue? Or is it more white? Like I said before, I'm not counting stuff with both of the colors, but I know I've done that before. I don't know. I think there's a blue together with the blue. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's more blue, even though there's a lot of white on here. It's more blue, so 8 things. Guys, I have a question for you. I have a question for you guys watching. Do you like winter? Or do you have a winter birthday? If so, what month is your birthday in? The winter months, like January, February, March, any of those months. Mine's in February, and you guys probably know my birthday, February 28th, which is obviously the end of February. So, okay, tubes. I know there's a lot of blue in here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 pop tubes. Okay. Noodles. Oh, I know I have some blue noodles in here. I don't have any white noodles, so should I count this as a white noodle? It's supposed to be like blue, but I think, yeah, it doesn't even look like blue, so I'm just gonna count it as a white. Not those. I'm not counting those little worms. Actually, should I? No, yeah, I am. Okay, I'll have a handful of blue noodles here, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 noodles. Mochis. Okay, I don't think I need to dump these out. This one's perfect since it's a snowflake. It's mostly blue. It has white on it, but it's mostly blue. That doesn't count. Okay, that's all the blue ones that I have. keep on finding more. Okay, I think that's all the blue ones that I have. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 emojis. Okay, so far, blue. Now, squishies. So I have 1, 2. Should this count? This globe? Yeah, I'm gonna count 3, 4, 5. 5 squishies. Yeah, 5 squishies. And then in the shaggy drawer, I should have only 2, which are the giant. 3 little jumbo, or 3 little shaggy fidgets. Okay, now my water, air, whatever drawer. I have this big water thing. These little ooze tube things. This. Whoa, stuff is flying out. This. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12. 12 in that drawer. I don't think I have any white in this drawer. No, I don't. Okay. Oh boy. This is tiring. Okay. PBJ's is only 2. Penguin and this little monster. Or be stressful. Oh gosh. Two. 2. 3. 4. 5. 5. Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not gonna count that. 13. 13. Yeah, 13. 13 Neos. Poppets. 13. 1, 2. 3. 3 blue poppets. Now, jumbo fidgets, I have 1 and 2. Okay. Now let's count them. 1, 2. 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Where'd that little blue shaggy thing go? 30. 31. 32. It's 32. 33. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 42, 42, Let's see, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 54, let's see, okay, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. 105 blue fidgets. $105. Sorry, guys. Anyway, should I just do blue in this video, or should I do white as well? Because I don't feel like... Should I do white? Or should I just do blue? I don't know. I did say I was going to do just white and blue fidgets. This already took long enough. I'm going to do it. So there's no white in here. Okay, 2 white poppets in here. 2. 2. 3. I have a little snowball in here, so 4, 5, 6, and there's a Hello Kitty one, so 7 in there. 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 1 up in here, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 25 in there, so 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 30, 33, so 33 white fidgets. I didn't pull any out because I didn't want to go through the drawers again. Anyway, so looks like blue won 105, while white had 33 fidget. 33. Anyways, guys, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite color was. Either white or blue. So anyways, I gotta get going and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.